Yo, yo. Whoa, too loud. All right, yo, what's going on, everybody? Covenant Dip coming at you guys with another one.
Another one.
Hopefully, everybody's feeling good out there today, man. Definitely feeling great myself. Can't complain at all, period, man. Definitely got some interesting things I've been paying attention to. I'm gonna put you guys on to a couple things also, and I got a date for you guys for the first exclusive vibes. The only thing we're trying to hash out between the three of us is a time frame, which is actually pretty cool. If you guys are interested in more information about that, or interested in the format and how we're going to be running things, I'll kind of briefly touch on that today and give you guys an idea of what you guys are looking at for the future of the exclusive vibes. So definitely something big that we can pay attention to out there. So it'll be cool and beneficial for everybody. I'm definitely feeling. So definitely will be exclusive vibes, as the name says. But give me 2 seconds. I'll pop on cam. I'll share my camera, go over a couple different things, and hopefully everybody had a good weekend. It's Monday. We did have a little bit of a downtrend in the market, but everything's okay so far. Maybe coming down a little bit more. You never know. We'll see as the times come going forward. But let me go ahead and get some things pulled up. Give me 2 seconds. All right, back in the building. Let's drag this over here 2 seconds. Let me see who's in the building first. We have Shive Kings first, man. Appreciate that. He said, "What's going on, everybody? Hello." Wait, looks like I'm the first one. First one here. Okay, make sure y'all hit the like button, comment, subscribe with the notifications on. How'd I do? Seems pretty good, man. Definitely seems like the first thing that should be said in the chat. Definitely hit that like button for me, guys. It'd be greatly appreciated. You know what it is. What's going on, Giggity? AKA, where you been at, brother? What's going on, my brother? How you feeling today, man? Arthur Larkin in the building. What's the word? What's the word, my brother? That's what Lori said. What's up? What's up? How you feeling today? Hey, everyone. Definitely appreciate you for being in the building. Baby Fat in the building, baby. What's going on, Baby Fat? And what's the word? Hopefully everything's good out there, man. Definitely appreciate everybody saying smash that like button. Everybody who's tuning in for some good info, good vibes, whatever you guys came for. Definitely something real. Definitely appreciate how Baby Fat is utilizing these emojis as much as possible. Also, shouts out to you. But let's get me on here. Hold on. Added an additional screen so I don't have to, I guess, fumble as much. This thing. All right, let me bam, transition. What's going on? What's going on? If you guys are looking at this shirt, I got my Shive King shirt on. For some reason, it's going with my chroma key. But I think it says no bad vibes. So my girl got it from here a while ago, so I'm rocking it. But what's up, everybody? How you guys feeling today? What's the word? Omar Flight Club. What's going on, my brother? What's the word, man? What's the word? All right, so let me start where we normally start at. Let's touch on some different subjects, man. First thing definitely should be the market, as it has been some interesting downtrends in the market. It seems to be trading sideways a little bit where it was last time I checked. Could be wrong, could have dropped. No, I'm just messing with you. Let's check on what the market has going on right this second. Let's see. All right, so we are currently at a downtrend right now. As I stated before, we're starting a fresh week, so as you can see, the percentages have changed up. So in total, Bitcoin is at 20,460 buckaroonies right now. We're down about 2.3%, which is not horrible, but it is a decent little chunk to come out in a 24-hour period. Ethereum is down about 2.6%. Oh, excuse me. That's in an hour. Damn, it came down in an hour. Sheesh. All right, so it's down about 3.4, almost about 3.5%, excuse me. So it is at 1,532 right now. It was previous, I think it was like 1,570 or something. Let's look at the other chart and see what we got going on. Also, if you guys were not in that Toy Mori space earlier, there was a Toy Mori space. I guess they're doing spaces on Mondays. I'm gonna try my best to show up and support another good communities out here trying to do some good things, guys. So if you guys want to pop into that Toy Mori space, you guys are more than welcome to do so, but definitely not an obligation. It's just there trying to support, trying to help good community grow and do some different things, man. So we'll definitely play those spaces by year. I believe they're doing it every Monday, but I'll definitely be checking in and letting you guys know. Hey, yeah, definitely appreciate that, Baby Fat. I see you with the emojis, baby. What we got? You know what it is, early and drinking my favorite triple espresso. You know, first of all, if you guys don't know any background information, if you guys are not familiar with the spaces, first of all, tune in because the spaces are actually pretty lit. They're informative and you're able to ask any questions that you could on the chat. You don't have to type it, or you can send me a message. I'll answer it like that also. But if you heard this guy's voice before and after coffee, is actually a real vibe. So yeah, tune in to this guy. I agree, Giggity. iPhone. Wow.
Bruh.
And Omar Hayden, clearly the coffee's kicking in. Rather been a lose. Boy, hey look, I swear I didn't even catch that. I'm so glad. Rather than a loser than a lose. Yeah, give me the loser all day. I'll definitely take that. Give me the elongated loser, please, for 3,000. All right, so check and see how some other things are doing in this market within a 24-hour period. XRP is down almost about 5%, 4.6%. Then we get, let me get Omar's camera out the way so you guys can join me. We got Polygon, and actually Dogecoin. Let's start Dogecoin. Dogecoin is down about 10%. So if you guys remember what Dogecoin was previously, man, did it have a point. But man, did people not learn from what the hell happened on what is it, Saturday Night Live, when Elon came on, made a statement, it boosted the hell up, and then people started to look around like, what the hell do we buy a bunch of Doge for again? And then they kind of started selling it. But I still think I think Elon has some big plans for Doge, man. I think they're gonna come, you know what I mean, coming on the line. So dollar cost averaging it may not be the worst idea. As you guys saw, anybody that's been buying Dogecoin while it was low definitely got some type of bargain and benefits to that long run, because it definitely did shoot up a bit from the, what was it at, like 4 or 5 cents for a little bit. So same thing with Polygon. Polygon was at like 30 cents or so. Now it's at about $1.16. And these are blue chips almost moving like like smaller market cap tokens, man. I'm telling you. But down almost about 10%. Polygon's down about 5% or so. See if Crow's down at all. Crow's down about 1.7% within the last hour, because it did have some progress. It's down about 4% though, so you got to look at that. It's up on the week though. So let's go chart. So I think this is an interesting time to kind of show you the other indicators that I frequently use. Also, let's start with the MACD. This is like a combo of the MACD / RSI. Then I actually have just the RSI by itself. So combo is pretty decent. It actually it's not horrible at timing things out. It's still a lagging indicator, but okay. So let's look at a couple key points here. I'll start from this range right here. So right here where you see me circle that, can you guys see that good on that? Yeah, you guys can see that. All right, cool. So right here, if you guys pay attention, right in this range right here, it has a cross. It was going down, then it crossed right here, started to go up, and it came out of this range. This is definitely telling me that in some way, shape, or form, this is probably going to come down. How it went up, it usually comes down pretty rapid if it leaves out of this zone with a decent amount of volume per se. So once it came down and okay, that shit's big as shit. Hold on, let me make this circle smaller. Oh damn it, I made a dot. All right, so redo it, put that right there. So this right here would be, this first cross right here was an indicator that this was going to go up. Then you can kind of see the volume kind of peak right here as it starts to come down. This would have been probably my indicator to get the hell out of Dodge. Some people won't see it like that. That's just me personally. But this is on a day time frame. Also, it probably looks a bit different on like the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame that you would be using if you were swing trading or something. But you see it crosses right here, and then you see what happened after it crosses. So definitely hits a downtrend. Damn, 13 months already. Crazy how time flies by. Yeah, man, it is definitely crazy. It is most definitely crazy. I'm a little bit shocked myself, man. It's been a significant amount of time. Definitely been a significant amount of time, man. Hey Arthur, I thought it was just me. I'm like, man, they got the music on vibe today. You feel me? You know what I mean? Like a little bit of info, vibe, relax, chill out. You know what I mean? But hopefully you guys can see what I'm trying to indicate to you guys. Let me pop out of that. Actually, I'm tripping. That was my damn stoke. I'm backwards as hell. This is my RSI. Same indicators here. I guess you can consider this right here. Damn it. Consider this range right here across. But it really was trading sideways around that range, to be honest. But I'm trying to get some more indicating areas for you, and then I'm gonna match, because you can see a crosshair on this chart I'm gonna match this area on the actual chart so you can see what the chart was doing at that time frame. As you can see, it's around the same time frames. If you guys can see these small areas, except for this one, this was a little bit further behind. And if you even look at this area right here on my smart money indicator, this is actually where you can see the volume start to come back into the market too, where you can see those crosses at. So that's another way to kind of verify volume coming in and or out of the market. As you can see, the smart money leaving out of the market currently after they kind of pumped it for a little bit around this range, slowed down, pumped it again, and then it's kind of leaving or dissipating out of the market. That's on the 1 day chart. Hold on, let me show you guys the chart before I change it up really quick. Hold on. Why do I not lock my damn levels? Blows me, champ. See if I can match it up. Around these ranges. All right, so this on the RSI, this cross right here was possibly an indicator of volume kind of coming in. Once it did cross, you can kind of see what it did during that time frame. If you guys can see where my crosshair is across, then we got this volume coming in right here, starts to uptrend, then it goes out of the zone a little bit, comes back in, goes out of it again. Almost pretty much a double top, if you will, as far as this range right here. Well, really close to it, rather. Then it comes back down, crosses again, and you can kind of see volume leaving out of the market as we're at $1,519 currently right now. And it looks like we still could come down a little bit. Not for sure on that one, but we'll see. Let me see how it looks on other time frames. Yeah, I honestly have never heard these songs before, low-key. All right, so 4 hour time frame we're looking at right now. I'll start with this one. So if you guys remember what I told you guys last time about this indicator, there's actually a couple different levels that you guys can identify on this smart money indicator. So there's this first level right here, second, and then third. Normally 9 times out of 10, once it comes up and it passes this third level with significant volume, as it did top out a couple of times around this range, come back down, go back up again. But as it passes this third level, this is normally a signal to, you know what I mean, kind of, I don't want to say take profits, at least to me it is, you know what I mean, because usually after it passes this threshold for a little bit, it stays in its range for a little bit, and then it starts to decrease in volume. You can see another little pump come in, which it's hard to time stuff like this, I'm not gonna lie to you. So I probably wouldn't have tried to catch this pump. I probably would have got out either within this downtrend or before the downtrend. But you see this little pump, and then you start to see the volume leave out of the market. So usually once we go above this threshold, you know what I mean, we came down, had a nice little dip, but we still had smart money playing with the volatility of the market, pumps again, goes past this range, comes down in a rapid way, you know what I mean, when you can see pretty much no smart money right now in the market within the last 4 hour time frame. Click on, see a 1 hour, a little faster time frame here. Same thing, basically the same thing we're looking at right here, just on a different time frame. So you see when it passes the third, which is a little bit easier to kind of see the trend as far as this. Hit its, oh damn, I'm about to run some on the mic. Hit its peak as far as this threshold right here, and then comes down underneath here, goes up again past this third level, his threshold, comes back down, does not go up this time, but you can see that the smart money kind of leaves out of the market, and it's like they're playing with the volatility at this point through different hour time frames. So a lot of volume around this range where it pumped like for that last time that we're seeing right here, but it looks like some of the smart money just may be leaving out of the market on multiple different time frames, but we'll see how it ends up turning out. But you guys can kind of see the results of what's going on. If you see guys, no, my bad, I'm sorry about that. I had the price behind my head. As you guys can see the price right above me right here. So let me see. That's what Lori said. I'm with you, Arthur. Been loving the chill music. Yeah, definitely. Always trying to get some chill music, some real vibes or whatnot. Sitting behind my desktop, the music makes me want to go to bed. By the way, Cuff, you won a Toy Mori. That was the first time I witnessed you winning anything. Yeah. I don't know if I got the Toy Mori yet, to be honest. I don't know if he sent it to me just yet. Let me see. Yeah, I didn't get it just yet, so he may be running a little bit behind, so I have no clue what it looks like. But whenever I do get the Toy Mori, I'm gonna give away a Toy Mori because I won something. I'm probably just gonna give it back to the community, get a new holder within Toy Moris, you know what I mean, something cool like that. Probably what I'll end up doing. Let's look at the actual chart. So I've been looking at different things we got going on, but I haven't been looking at the chart itself. Let me put it in a range. You guys can see it on the screen. All right, so a little bit blurry, but you guys can kind of get the idea of it. So right, and I can probably use a line, different color to identify a range. What color do I want to use? Purple? Nah, that sucks. You guys see that? Okay, that looks like the damn red. Get it better. Let's just do yellow. How about it? Yay. All right, so this yellow line right here is just, let's just make it seem like an extension of this yellow bar right here. So this was a resistance level that it was meeting pretty much. So you can see it tried to retest it. It went up like right here, sorted itself, went up above it, came down, broke above it, came down, used it as a support level multiple times, came up to this level. Now this downtrend, and a hell of a heavy downtrend if you guys are not paying attention, as we broke this downtrend line currently as we speak. It came down to around this range, didn't even test this level of support at all. This is how you know we were kind of, it's like, uh-oh. You know what I mean? When it comes down that hot and heavy, you know what I mean? Like you start seeing sales like bam, you know what I mean? It comes down to a level of support. It kind of messed with this level just a little bit, but as soon as it did, one time retesting it, it goes directly past. It stops at this range, which if you guys see, and put another line right here, just giving you guys an active like play-by-play. It stopped right here around this range, which is actually a level of support that is generated right here, as you can see on the VPVR. So dropped to around this range, and then kind of played with this range for a little bit, had some volume, went back up, got rejected at this range, and after that we had a downtrend. We came down a little bit, so, and it's been coming down since. So we'll see how this starts, as we just started another hour block. We're on the hour time frame right now. It just started red, so we'll see how we go. We're at 15:04 currently right now. I don't know if anybody's holding ETH right now, watching the ETH come down, but man, this is I'm not gonna lie, it's getting kind of fun to watch, isn't it, guys? Like, it is, how low will it go? Like, it's crazy, bro. Crazy. Yeah, man. You guys seeing this live. Like, this is it's live, baby. Look, 14-0. This Joker's coming down. I might have to back the time frame up, my brother. Do y'all see that? That's some volatility for that ass right there. Uh-oh, big buy. Bought up that whole candle. Do you see how he just wicked out? It just shows the price action right there now. It's moving fast on this time. If I went to like the 15-minute time frame, I'm sure it's probably ridiculous. Dope to give it away, but what if it's a no love trait? Good question, Omar. Now, well then, Smile, you know what I mean. We'll see. We'll cross that road when we get there, man. I might even one day I might even give away a no love trait. I don't know. You will be scratching your head on that decision. Yeah, man. We'll see. All right, so what is this? This is the downtrend line, right? Yeah, this is the downtrend line. Let's see if it retests this downtrend line area. Remember, I mocked this line, so I don't know if it's like truly following this line or not. And I don't know which line this was. Yeah, this was the downtrend line. Okay, yeah. Yeah, but we'll you can kind of see the resistance levels that are above right here once I zoom out. But let's see. Give me 2 seconds. We'll come right back and we'll tune right back into this this diggity dump that we're seeing right now. Be right back at you guys. did see we had my brother come in. Crypto Tone, what's the word, my brother? How you feeling today, man? What's up, man? How you feeling? Almost forgot to put the space up, guys. Give me 2 seconds. I'm trying to throw the space up really quick. All right, got that out the way. Sorry about that. You guys normally already got that out. Was a little bit behind today. Trying to get a bunch of things done. But let's see what we got in the chat. Baby Fat throwing them planes up. I want to see 1,000. Well, my brother, if they keep dumping on it like this, they look like they dunking on that joint like Jordan. You feel me? Let me back the time frame up. One day. Let's check out what we looking at on a 1 day time frame. What I was saying, what's going on, Tom? Coolin' brother, steady soaking up this out, man, bro. I'll just be trying to help a little bit, man. Hey, literally, you in the flight club now, man. So we can go through some things hands on a bit, my brother. You know what I mean? Break things down. I've been trying to show a lot of different people things, some cool stuff. Different things, some cool stuff. I'm getting ahead of myself. So showing a lot of different people some cool stuff, man. So definitely tap in with that. Let me see what I got on this one. Yeah, but we broke that downtrend line, but we got a support level directly underneath it. So looks like we got 1 or 2 things that could go on right here. Let me see my view on that. Looks like a fishy view. Let me turn it up a little bit. Too close. Look at our ranges. I don't know why it started me off on 480. Hey, and if y'all are looking at me and I'm a little bit fuzzy, man, go ahead and increase y'all quality to that 1080 HP. It's definitely cracking, man. Go ahead and see your boy in HD. But besides that, man, let me show you guys. You guys can see that now. So as you guys see, we're right above this red line right here. This red line right here is a support level. As you can see, it was previously a resistance level around this range before we jumped into this channel right here and traded sideways for some time. As you can see, we've been here for a couple weeks. It looks like this is the daytime frame, so each individual candle is 1 day time frame. We're currently underneath 1500 and back below our downtrend line. We really weren't above that downtrend line too long. It looks like we came right here above that, got rejected, almost right here, perfect, got rejected, almost perfect one more time around this range where you can see the wick got rejected. Then we got some volume in after it bounced off this line that I actually added in right here, which you can kind of see. I tried to make that coincide with this level right here of support that was generated. So it did bounce right there and then go up quite a bit, which was not bad. But then you can kind of see the downtrend that we came. This is a day chart, so you can only see you don't see the details of what was going on, but you can see how thunderous this joint's coming down right now. But it seems to be bouncing off of this level right here, but it could definitely come down further. It just took these couple of levels out with no issues, so definitely could take this one out too. We'll see what it does. If it takes this level out right here and remains underneath this downtrend line, possibilities are the next level that we'll be reaching will probably be around this range. Let me put another yellow line to kind of indicate our new range. I'm about to take these out when I I'll be like, over confused. All right, so around there, so that will be another soft level of support that we will probably hit around this range. Then past that point, we have another soft level right here. But keep in mind, these are soft levels of support. This is probably the best range, this red line right here, that we're going to be dealing with for some time. So if it bounces off of this, goes up, or goes underneath it a little bit, retraces, goes back up, and uses it as a level of support, we're good. But you guys can kind of see what's going on right now. Heavy sales right now. All right, so look, this is kind of what I was trying to tell you guys. So you see how it's trying to retrace around this range, but it's still coming down. It's still coming down. So this is our next soft level right here. So it'll probably do that same. Yep. Look, you see how it kind of retraces up right here. You're the guy literally seeing it live. It's actually kind of cool. Retraces up right here around the next soft level of support. And you can't make this up. I don't control the chart. This is actually pretty cool. I might have to clip this. I'm not gonna lie to you. So then let's see, next range that we're probably looking at, if we do take that out, is around this range. And if we do take that range out, this is where I feel like we may teeter-totter for a little bit. If it just slams past these couple levels right here, this is the next range that we're looking at. I don't want to put too many lines. I want to see if I can catch it live if it actually does go through that the motion. What's good, Cup? Okay, I got that one. I'm sorry about it's going down. It's going down, baby. But you see how it just retraced right here. So this level right here, it bounced up. You see the wick for the price action right there, but it bounced right there on that level. Like I said, if it does try to come back down again, retest this area, we could possibly see it go a little bit lower than this, try to retrace up. But it played with this area pretty decent, so we may see it revisit this, is what I probably think. So it should come down a little bit lower, as we're seeing multiple sell-offs right now. Yeah, go ahead and do it while I'm talking. I love that. So, and then we'll probably come down underneath this range, and if it comes down hard to this range, I'm almost positive that it will probably hit and touch this range right here. But it depends on how it looks like it's bulls and bears fighting right here. Yeah, but that's crazy though. You guys are seeing it live. By the way, are we giving away a team bull with our mint incentives? Yeah, why? Of course, my brother. We are giving away a team bull, and I'll touch on that also. I'll go over some different mint incentives. We do have a team bull going out. We got those other mint incentives that I'll actually pull up. We'll check that out. It was just, I'm not gonna lie, I really got distracted with Ethereum and how we are jugging right now. We're at 1462. It just got critical, guys. What's going on, Crypto Clip Shane? What's the word, my brother? How you feeling today? Shane in the building. What's up? What's up? What's up? Baby fat over emoji, and again, I love it. Go ahead and spread the love, baby. Also, guys, do remember that we do have that Twitter space in about what is that, about 45 minutes or so, guys. So you definitely may want to tune into the Twitter space. I'm gonna stretch this out so we can see these let me widen that, pull it up, drop it like it's hot. And we can actually see that. My bad, I got the emojis in the way. Let's take them down. Let me see what else we got. The hard dumps always make me uncomfortable. Why do you say it makes you uncomfortable, Lori? This is exciting as shit to me. Why does it make you uncomfortable? Explain to me so I can make you feel better, Lori. Because this is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing unless you're holding ETH and you're watching your portfolio just go down, which is, even then, it's still not a bad thing, because ETH will recover, and it's a point that you can dollar cost average in, just like every other project. Busy like always. Something seems to always pop up that I need to tend to. Hard to pay respect to friends, man. Daughter earlier. Yep. Oh, okay. I'm definitely sorry to hear that. Sorry, definitely sorry to hear that, man. That's tragic. My condolences. Definitely my condolences on that one. What's going on, Eddie T? Eddie T in the building. What's going on, my brother? How you feeling today? I get the FUD feeling sometimes. It's my it's your first bear market. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So welcome. We're here to soothe this vibe a little bit. So don't feel bad. I feel like these are just investment opportunities. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. I can tell you that right off of the bat. It's it's gonna be here for a little while. We already talked about this. We've been talking about this for some time on the channel, that we were expecting another downtrend at some point and that we weren't at the bottom, especially when we were trading around this range. So it looks like it's trying to trade back into this range, but good thing is we have some good support levels around this range. But possibilities are just because we did generate a decent amount of momentum within this this consolidation, we had a little bit of a pump and now we're having a downtrend behind it. That's kind of just what happens in every single market. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's just that's just what happens, man. Where money goes in, money comes out. That's how people make money in cryptocurrency. And you just got to be prepared for these moments, you know what I mean? Just prepared, ready with some dry powder to get in the game. But not during a super volatile time like this. We don't really know where this can end up. You can see it's kind of battling with this level right here, but it was doing the same with multiple other levels. As you can see, the wick says price action and it still came down to this range that it's at right now. But right now it is sitting at this point to where it's like literally bobbling up and down with volume. So we'll see where it goes. Smash that like button and sub. Definitely appreciate it. What's going on, Eddie T? Just got off work. Bet. Welcome to the building. But on the flip side, I saw you were employee of the month with Grove, brother. Oh, were you saying? I didn't see that. That's what's up. I didn't even know they had employee of the month. That's like something new, man. And you're the first one out the gate. Yeah, definitely my condolences. Yeah, no problem, Sam. You already know, man. You already know what it is, man. Nothing but good vibes, prayers over here, man. And definitely my condolences on that, man. That's sad, and I definitely hate hearing stuff like that. For me, coming in during the bear market has sucked. Okay. And I have truly wanted to give up on crypto during this time, but I'm gonna keep pushing through. Yeah, man. So this is the time frame in cryptocurrency that either kind of makes investors or breaks investors. I'm just gonna be honest with people. If you don't make it through this time frame, I'm just gonna be honest, it probably is not. Cryptocurrency may not be the time frame for you. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe not now, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like more investigation, more research, and you have to have that confidence when you're trading to be able to accumulate on projects and not really worry about what the charts are telling you right this second, which I know that's a statement that can contradict itself, because the charts do mean a significant amount. You know what I mean? You can learn a lot from looking at a chart. You can learn a lot from looking at the team and other aspects of kind of what things are going on. So charts tell you a lot. They're great. I love utilizing charts, but at the same time, charts are not the only aspect of cryptocurrency, especially for some of these smaller market cap tokens, NFTs and such. You know what I mean? So definitely gotta pick and choose, and also do a lot of research. But when it comes down to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Crow, BNB, I mean, there's a lot of them that are not going anywhere. They're just not going anywhere, guys. I'm just gonna be 100% honest. It's not going anywhere, and it'll be around for some time. But these times when the price does go down rapidly, which at this point, this is not even a low point. This was a low point where we were trading sideways around $1,300 to $1,200 ranges, and we stayed within this channel. This is coming down a bit as we have broken the level of support, and it tries to go back up, and it goes down, it goes back up. So it's literally the bulls and the bears just sitting there fighting. People are selling, people are buying, people are selling, people are buying. I need to figure out what was that aggregator that I had before. I can't even remember that. I gotta get legal to send me that again. Or matter of fact, do I have it? I'm pretty sure I paid my membership on here, right? Can't remember. Let me see. Dude, with streaming, you literally have 80 million memberships. It's ridiculous. Let me read through these comments really quick, and I'm trying to pull something out for you guys so you guys see this. Yeah, Shane. Yeah, man. Yeah, the goal is to keep pushing and don't think about it. This is the time to accumulate it and wait it out. Yeah, man. When people are greedy, be fearful. When people are fearful, be greedy. Exactly, man. See, I'm not gonna lie. Your pop is he's clutch when he says that, man. When they're fearful, what is it? When they're fearful, pounce or whatever it is. What is your pop saying? I can't remember. I haven't seen one of his streams in a while. When they fear, I pounce. Like when everybody else is scared and getting out of the market and panic selling, that's when somebody else is savvy sitting down there with thousands of dollars waiting for you guys to finish selling off and to find a good range to buy in at so that they can make money as it goes back up. Yeah, I will basically do an AMA on a 20 space Wednesday. Wait, so you're doing an AMA Wednesday? What time, my brother? What time you doing an AMA? Honestly, if it wasn't for the Flight Club and some of the great people I've met so far, I would have been stopped. Yeah, I feel you. Have you been in a bull run? You know 100. If you're not, just yeah. You definitely know the amount of like the amount of money that can come through the market in a bullish period of time is ridiculous. People definitely do make large sums of money during that period of time, but it can be a scary period of time. Also, people definitely get wrecked during bull runs as people take big chunks of money out at random times because they made a lot of money. And I think this bull run at the very first is going to be a lot of volume, but it's still going to be people taking huge profits at first. Why? Because nobody has that hodl mentality anymore, and now we're going to be adding more money into the market. You already see it with smaller market cap tokens as we're going right this second. Like they're having heavy sell-offs whenever they have heavy uptrends. You know what I mean? You can look at multiple tokens, and there's no specific one I'm trying to point out, but it's crazy. Right, bear markets are the time when millionaires are made. Yeah, you can definitely collect and get it. Being surrounded by the right people definitely helps. Yeah, being surrounded by informative people that can actually help you navigate during times like this, it helps a lot. It helps you become confident in your investment so that you know that your money's not going to disappear if it goes down a little bit. If it goes up a little bit, you know when to kind of pay attention to things and try to take profits as much as possible too. I hope CZ is wrong about 4 years left for this crypto winter. I'm just gonna be 100% honest. I have no short-term goal as far as the future of this crypto winter, just because of how bad the inflation is everywhere around the world, and mainly in the US also, and the economy state right now. I don't know if we're close to a crash as far as the housing market or not. It'd be nice. Definitely want to pick up some properties. Would not be bad for your boy, but other people probably would not be as comfortable or prepared for something like that soon. So hopefully it's not the case, but I do see a extended time frame, as every time they raise these interest rates, man, we're not really seeing real raise the interest rate, raise those basis points. We're not really seeing a real difference in the interest rate. It's not really going down too much. So I think either they're gonna do something drastic that causes the market to possibly crash a little bit, which would be cool, or rather that it's like rip the damn band-aid off already. But I don't know, man. Hey man, Lord, what's going on, Donald T? Donald in the building. What's going on, my brother? How you feeling, man? Anyone else find it this strange? Binance / CZ Bills alliance with Twitter / Elon and FTX / SBC teams up with Facebook / Mark. Yeah. See, it's a lot. It's a lot of lot going on, right? Then Facebook bottoms on Saturday. That Meta was, man. Meta was crazy. That was a pretty big ass dip. FTS feeling the pain as far as liquidity issues. Yeah, it's it's a lot of tit for tat going on. We don't know what goes on in the back end, but we see what comes out as far as the results, which is actually interesting to kind of put the assumptions, the map together. Shane, I saw it too. Yeah, that shit was crazy, right? And I like it. What? Oh my god. Is that a Tumblr Nestor Omar's name? You already know, dog. No, I'm just messing with you. Yeah, it may or may not be a Timberland. Yes, it's made custom for Legends. Yeah, that means you stomping with a big dog. Arthur got one too. That's you big dog stomping with that one. Well, how you spell my brother's name wrong? And it's above you, my brother. It's above you, my. I'm just messing with you, bro. Is it? Look, you fixed it. All right, cool. I ain't gonna tell nobody else. You know, you gotta respect the boot. Right, billionaire problems. Right. Like if that's how I get bullied, man, boy, you can bully me. It's okay. We'll fix it. Put a band-aid on it. Man, I should have my boot, man. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what the hell happened. You said it was for copyright reasons or something. That was crazy, bro. Like, I don't know where that came from. I'm just gonna be honest. So what do you guys think? Do you think we're gonna retrace up and go past this downtrend line, or do you think we will officially come back underneath, trading underneath this downtrend line and come down around this range just to dump over? Because I'm not gonna lie, we hit this range right here. And if he would have came past this range, which I'm not completely convinced that we won't try to retest that range. We just got some bulls taking over the market right now. We can easily have a heavy sell-off and go right back down to this range. But if it does break this range, I think that we are in for, because I don't think this range will hold. It'll probably come down a little bit lower and then probably hit this range right here, like 1397. Then we're looking at it like coming back into our channel that we traded sideways in for a little bit, and maybe a little bit of sideways trading before another dump and or pump. So depends on what news we end up getting in the market, but we'll see though, man. I'm curious. I'm quite curious to see what we end up with. But in the meantime, in between time, guys, what I am going to do is we are going to take another commercial break, and I will come right back at you guys with these smooth grooves again, guys. So hold on a second. Be right back. get back into these comments real quick. Go up a little bit. All right, 2 pairs just for you. No, because I asked my damn, that's crazy. Sending full support from Yame. Della, I definitely appreciate it. What's going on, Shan? How are you? What's going on? Quick question: the NFTs that Cuff was giving out to winners, do you do anything like trade it with prizes, or is it an NFT inside of it? So basically, I'm about to go over it pretty much right now, and I can give you an explanation for that, because I actually do remember that you got one. So I wanted to explain it, but if you give Cuff, all right, yeah, definitely, I can give an explanation on that. All right, so let's go to this link tree. The link tree will actually help you with that endeavor. And if you guys didn't see, I posted some no love NFT gear too, bro. It's actually kind of hidden, man. Y'all might want to tap in with that. Wrong damn one. All right, so let me go to the collection. We'll click on collection. So this is an NFT. Let me describe the NFT. So Angry Man D. So basically what this is this NFT is exactly pretty much what it was saying is. So it's minting for 0.02 Ethereum right now currently. So it was meant to be a consumer friendly price, so everybody has an opportunity to be able to buy it. We gave away 200 out of the 10K collection that we're actually minting out currently right now, just so if people couldn't afford them, or just to do some marketing and to do some giveaways. So just to give back to the community. So more or less, there is $100,000 worth of Ethereum that is chopped up and mixed up inside of this collection. It is mixed in increments of 50, 100, 500, and 1,000. There's multiples of all of them. They're mixed up evenly within the collection so that you can win some smaller prizes and or larger prizes, depending on if you put in 25 or 100 bucks. So along with the $100,000 worth of Ethereum, there are some sponsored NFT prizes, which you can actually see the brands right here. We got Bali's token that donated some stuff. Toy Morris, who was another good NFT company, donated some stuff, and the Stoner Bulls donated some Stoner Bull passes, which actually gives you access to weekly and monthly raffles. They raffle anything off as far as Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFTs. They've raffled off an Other Side Deed. They raffled off a lot of different things. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So they have definitely had a lot of different raffles. Teen Bulls, OG Bulls. If you guys have or want to get some opportunities to get into the Bulls and Ape project, that's an opportunity for you guys to actually do so. We're giving away a Teen Bull also in between mint number 645 and mint number 745. If you mint in between that, that gives you an opportunity to get into between the raffle. So pretty much if you do any of those mints, what we're going to do is pick a number between 645 and 745, whatever number that is, whoever owns that number NFT. So if it's number 647, we're going to airdrop the Teen Bull into the wallet that 647 owns. They don't have to be inside of the space or anything like that. We're just going to airdrop it. So that's something else we're doing additional. But just inside of the NFT collection itself, there also is 3 different type of stakeable NFTs. One is just stakeable. Another one is entered into a raffle for some Ethereum, OG Bull, and a Teen Bull. And then the last one, which there's only 20 of those in the collection, is entered to be a 2 ETH raffle. So you can win 2 ETH flat out. It's you and 20 other people that raffle is for. So you have multiple different opportunities to kind of win some things and or utilize a stakeable NFT. There's mint incentives also. So if you mint 5 in one transaction, you get entered in to win $50 in Ethereum. You mint 10 in one transaction, you get $100 in Ethereum. As far as you get entered into a raffle for $100 in Ethereum. So it's a lot of different incentives, a lot of different raffles you can get into. You also hold on to the NFTs. 5 of them will enter you into the Fight Club. The free perks to the actual club itself, and multiple different entries to that. So yeah, so pretty much you can think of that as like so basically, holding it is like your entry. Yeah, exactly. So more or less, if you ever went to the gas station and grabbed like a scratch off ticket, it's like a scratch off ticket, but we don't have any losing scratch off tickets within our collection. So there's nothing that says try again or anything like that. This first one, we're trying our best to one, build community confidence within the brand. 2, get people a return on their investment, and especially within the NFT brands, there's not too many NFTs where you don't have to hustle for a floor price. You don't have to grind to try to snipe a rare off of the floor from somebody who doesn't know the value of it. You have multiple different opportunities to make money within this project. And also, we're making our own staking platform. Currently is being built right this second, so we'll be able to stake our NFTs on there. We're going to have a free mint that is for Diamond Flight Club members, just so they can stake and be entered into one of our rapid staking pools, so they can earn money from that, plus a lot of different things. When revealed, I get asked that a lot. So I've actually, trust me, I get that question often also. So we're trying to organically mint out. We have a multiple different things that we're doing to try to help and pretty much incentivize the mint out as we're going forward, as far as marketing, collaborations, and different things. So we're trying to get volume in mint out. So that's the goal, ideally, to mint out then reveal. But we do have a threshold in which we have to where if it is low volume, because I mean it's a bearish market more or less, we're going to reveal, and then we'll kind of go as we go, and we'll do drops as we go. We would rather it be an organic process and actually mints out if possible, just because it'd be easier, and I feel like a little less messy as far as distributing all of the different things that we have to put out, plus doing it in sections, probably like every 24 hours or something like that, every time we mint some. So it would be interesting. But we've used this project as I guess our guinea pig and learning experience to what is already I feel like Web3 defying concepts, more or less. So we're kind of defining a lot of we're disturbing a lot of different things I feel like that are going on inside of Web3. So I feel like the next concept that I've actually developed, which I feel like this one was great already as it is. The reason for having as many NFTs as we do have is so that we can make the price friendly and still be able to recuperate funds and distribute funds as far as to charities and our relief fund and everything else that we're doing, so that we didn't have to make the NFTs overly expensive for people who are just getting this NFT, so that we can onboard people. The first project we made was to, I guess, to onboard and get people to understand the concept of NFTs and get more education, community building, and such out there. That's why we looked for sponsors and had a lot of different aspects of this project mapped out to community build and give back to the community. So that is my rundown on the reveal, kind of why we're doing what we're doing. So the initial goal is to actually mint out if we can. If we reach our threshold, then we'll just do what we have to do from our threshold, because we want everybody to still remain happy and not to take an extended amount of time for people to see a return on their investment, which is also why we're incentivizing the different raffles and giveaways and such as we're holding NFTs, which we're going to actually have some different perks coming up going towards this exclusive vibe episode that we're going to have too for some different holders. So definitely a cool aspect of that also, I feel like. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions, concerns, anything like that. We got about 18 minutes until we hop into this Twitter space, so let me know if you guys got any questions about the project. Yes, we do have a team bull going out from 6:45 to 7:45, so you guys got an opportunity to enter. It can go quick, it can go it can be a short period of time, it to take a little bit. You never know with the minting process. Like I said, we are doing multiple different things to try to market and get in front of people's eyes as we get into multiple different communities and kind of talk, and I'm able to explain the project. It does get multiple mints. We're getting more people looking into it, but people are doing their due diligence and not investing into as many newer projects. So it's a grind. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it definitely is a grind, but it's a grind that I'm definitely here for and going to put in as much work as possible for. What's going on? Awesome Austin, man, what's going on, man? Definitely appreciate you stopping by, bro. What's up? What's the mint number right now? I think we I made the post earlier, so I think it was 645 or 646 or so. If anything did come through the Telegram, I didn't check just yet. I've been running around, so maybe at 645 or 646 or so. We are at 645 as of now. Yeah, so I thought it 645 or 646. So just put the post out earlier today, trying to get it circulated, let people know that that's going on. Plus the other giveaways. So along the way, I think it's like 12. I think we're like 4 into another raffle. So it's like, I think like 4 or 3 or 4. I think it's like 12 or 11 different slots in the first giveaway. We're giving away one of Sammy Arriaga's pixelated NFTs. If you guys haven't heard it, great song. Music NFTs, I feel like are going to be a real vibe coming up. They're just a little bit ahead of their time per se, but they're definitely coming in as a big vibe. But yeah, I've been working on the some different advertisement platforms and some collaborations also that I've been working on pretty heavy. Pretty heavy, man. So just let me know if you guys got any questions, concerns, thoughts, anything like that, man. We kind of sat and watched ETH dump a little bit, which was pretty cool. Doesn't look horrible, but it's maybe recovering from that range. We'll see if it goes past that again or not, if it retests that range that we were looking at. Let me go ahead and bam, transitions my chat screen. But yeah, let me know what you guys got going on, man. What you guys feeling like? What's the word? Yeah, so you can do as little as 1 mint and be entered into the actual raffle from 645 to 745. It's up to you guys. So or you can do more to get more entries, but it can be as little as 20 people getting 5 and then having that. So it's up to you guys. So no pressure at all, period. Like I said, this was never meant to be a cash grab. I want it to organically grow. I want people who actually have an interest in learning about the market and such kind of being a part of that. So it actually works out for me to a certain extent. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions or concerns or anything. And those are on top of the other incentives? Of course, of course. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, man, we got a space in about 15 minutes or so, man. You guys are more than welcome to tap in, ask anything that you guys want to, vibe out as we talk about pretty much everything that's going on in the market or whatever else you guys have an interest in. You guys are more than welcome. Oh yeah, most definitely on. Bunch of stuff in there, man. Bunch of stuff. But yeah, so I'm not seeing any questions, guys, man. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Real vibe as always, man. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day, night, wherever you guys are located. And yeah, man, we'll tap in with you guys tomorrow, man. Let me see, man. Cuff, those pics were a real vibe. Keep being that proud. Yeah. I already know what you mean. Keep being that proud dad. Yeah, man. I'm always happy about my little girl, man. Definitely happy about my little girl always. She's always doing stuff, man. Man, all of the kids, man, are wild, man. You guys will probably end up meeting them, man. I'm pretty sure at some point they'll pop up. But yeah, you guys enjoy your night, man. I'm out of here, man. You guys pop into that Twitter space if you got any other questions, man. I'll be in there rocking out. We'll have some other people in there, man. I may do a Toy Morris giveaway if I actually get it by then, or maybe I'll just do the giveaway and then send it to you guys when I actually do give it. I'll figure that out as we go into the space. Other than that, you guys enjoy your night. I'm out of here. Keep cuffing that dip. Look for good support levels. And of course, as always, guys, remember that it's beyond crypto. Get out of the house and enjoy life. Look at things other than charts, man. I'm out of here.